everyone. Neelam welcomes you at the Rise of Hopes. Learners, wait over. So, today I am here with the second part of the omission or the uses of articles, how it can make a difference in the uses or the meaning of a sentence. So, your wait is over. So, let's learn again some of the new sentences or which can change the meaning with the uses of articles. Articles, grammatical term article, learners. So, be ready for learning some more situations in which we can use or omit articles and how we can make a big difference in the meaning. So, that's ready. Before moving on, learners, listen that just because of the space of the board, it was the problem that we have not completed that video in the single one. If we need just your support, if your support will be with us, then very soon we will arrange for a digital board and there will not be any problem then. So, just give your support and like it and share as much as more as you can. Okay, just need your support. So, let's going, learners. First one, he goes to school. It's a very normal sentence we are using in our daily conversation. He goes to school. It means without a or the or an, without article, means if we are using the to school, it simply means that we are going for the schooling. Daily acts like the students are going to their school for the study. So, this is a normal routine of schooling which we are normally having. Okay. Then second, he goes to the school. To the school, if we are using article with the, it means you are going to a particular school for any purpose, for any reason. Suppose you want to pay the fee of any of your ward. Suppose you want to visit a school to meet the principal. Suppose you want to visit any particular school for having a connection or interaction or an interview. Okay. So, for special purpose, when you are visiting a school, then we will use the with it. Clear? Normal schooling, daily routine for getting studies without a, an or the. If we are using any article, it means you are visiting a particular school with a purpose or with a particular reason. Okay. Next one, she never goes to play. And to play, and in the next we are using a or the play. यहाँ पर क्या difference है, learners? In the first one, she never goes to play. It means she never takes part in the games. She never goes out from her house for playing with the other children. She is simply not having interest in the games. Clear? But if we are using a or the with it, to the play, yes, or a or the play, it means that she never went to the theater for watching, for enjoying a play. थिएटर में जो प्ले, जो स्टेज पर इनेक्ट किया जाता है, ड्रामा जिसको हम बोलते हैं, ठीक है, जो परफॉर्मर्स या जो एक्टर्स होते हैं वो कोई भी थिएटर में कोई एक्ट परफॉर्म करते हैं, कोई ड्रामा या कोई प्ले परफॉर्म करते हैं, इट मीन्स ही नेवर वेंट टू द थिएटर फॉर वॉचिंग अ प्ले, फॉर एंजॉइंग अ प्ले. ओके. तो यहाँ पर प्ले गेम्स नहीं है, इट्स अ ड्रामा. क्लियर? जो एक्ट किया जाता है बाय द परफॉर्मर्स, like in the any annual competition, any annual function in the schools or the colleges, in the institution, in university, तो वहाँ पर जो एक्ट किए जाते हैं, जो ड्रामा किया जाता है, जो प्ले एक्ट किया जाता है, that is called as a play. Okay. Next one is I have little money with me. It so the same use just like the few. In the previous video you watched use of few and a few. But here is the difference that little and a little used with the uncountable noun and few and a few used with the countable noun. Okay. So this is the difference only. I have little money with me, it means I have no money with me. मेरे पास नहीं है पैसा बिल्कुल भी. Okay. And if I am saying that I have a little money with me, it means I am having money with me but not much. ज़्यादा नहीं है कुछ, लेकिन little, its meaning इट इज सजेस्टिंग इट्स मीनिंग लिटिल मीन्स बहुत थोड़ा है, बट इफ यू विल यूज द विद इट हियर इज ऑल्सो ए चेंज इन द मीनिंग. अगर हम अ की जगह द लिटिल करते हैं तो इट मीन्स आई स्पेंड ऑल माई मनी विच आई हैड. जितना भी मेरे पास मनी था उसको खर्च कर देना, उसको लगा देना, सारा का सारा जितना भी था. इवन इट वॉज लिटल इन अमाउंट, बट जितना भी था वो सारा खर्च कर देना. अगर हम द को यूज करते हैं तो वो जितना हमारे पास है उसको सबको यूज कर देना. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, टू सी लाइट. इफ सिंपली वी आर सेइंग दैट टू सी लाइट, it means we are looking at the light. Okay, looking at the light, maybe outsider atmosphere light, maybe any tube light or light in your room. But when we say that to see the light, it means to be born, to appear in the public. आपकी existence start हो रही है in this world. This is to see light means you have taken birth, you appear in this beautiful world, you appear in the public. So in the different situations we can use to see the light. Clear? Next one is he is a member of society. He is a member of society. It means he is simply a member of this society, in this world in which we are living. It means he has not break off or cut off the relations with this world. The person has connection with this world. कि इस वर्ल्ड के साथ हमारा कनेक्शन है, अभी भी हम इस समाज का एक हिस्सा हैं. ओके, एंड इफ वी आर सेइंग दैट ही इज अ मेंबर ऑफ अ सोसाइटी और द सोसाइटी, इट मीन्स द पर्सन इज अ मेंबर ऑफ एनी पर्टिकुलर सोसाइटी, लाइक सपोज एनी क्लब और एसोसिएशन. तो किसी क्लब, किसी एसोसिएशन, किसी मैनेजमेंट, किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन और किसी एनजीओ का मेंबर होना. ओके, सो दैट इज he is a member of a society और the society में आप किसी एक पर्टिकुलर क्लब या एसोसिएशन के मेंबर हो. आई होप लर्नर्स कि with these two videos you learn a lot. That was something new for you. If any suggestion from your side you can give it, and like, share and subscribe our channel The Rise of Hopes. Stay connected with us and thank you for being the part of The Rise of Hopes. Thank you so much.